NordVPN or TunnelBear. Two heavy hitters in the VPN world, but which one really delivers? On the left, the powerhouse NordVPN, famous for its speed and advanced features. And on the right, the fun and friendly TunnelBear, keeping things simple and accessible for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. All right, here's the game plan. We're going to compare these two VPNs across 7 super important categories: price and plans, speed and performance, security and privacy, server network, streaming and torrenting, device and platform support, and, you guessed it, ease of use and customer support. Keep these in mind as we zoom through the details. First up, price and plans. NordVPN costs a bit more, but you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can even pay with crypto. Kinda cool if privacy is your thing. They also run discounts pretty often. TunnelBear, on the other hand, is way more budget-friendly. Honestly, it even gives you a free plan with 2 GB a month to mess around with. And you can connect unlimited devices on any paid plan. Downside, no crypto payments, and if you go monthly, there's no refund policy. Still, for value alone, TunnelBear's deal is hard to beat here. All right, let's talk speed and performance. NordVPN really shines in this area. You barely notice any speed drop-off. Like, seriously, just a 4 megabits per second dip. It's awesome if you're streaming or doing a bunch of P2P stuff. Cons? Sometimes latency goes up a bit if you bounce to certain regions, but overall, super consistent. TunnelBear holds steady for basic browsing, and it's got lower ping for gaming, which surprised me. But yeah, if you need to download big files or stream in HD, that speed drop becomes much more obvious. NordVPN definitely races ahead here. Next up, security and privacy. NordVPN is like next level. Double VPN, meshnet, obfuscated servers, you name it. Plus, it's got not 1, but 2 kill switches, and their no logs policy has actually been verified. It can feel kind of overwhelming if you're new though, like there's a lot going on. TunnelBear keeps it simple, has AES 256 and a kill switch as well, and also claims a no logs policy. One thing though, no double VPN, and they haven't had an independent audit, which is, you know, something to think about. So, if you're paranoid, careful, about privacy, NordVPN's the safe bet. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. TunnelBear sprinkles in these playful little bear animations every time you connect, which is just adorable. NordVPN takes a more serious route, letting you set up something called meshnet, so you can literally create a secure private network just for your own devices. Pretty wild, right? Moving over to server network, NordVPN's kinda the world traveler here. Over 5,600 servers in more than 110 countries. Getting global access? Basically a non-issue. The only hiccup is you can connect on up to 6 devices at a time. TunnelBear actually puts up an impressive number with more than 5,000 servers, but they're spread across just 47 countries. Plus, I've noticed some of their servers can lag a bit. For sheer reach and reliability, NordVPN wins this one hands down. Streaming and torrenting. Oh, this is a big one. NordVPN unblocks practically everything. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, all the things. And you can torrent on any server, so you don't have to go hunting around. The only small hiccup is sometimes you'll need to switch servers to get a stubborn streaming service working. With TunnelBear, it'll get you into the basic platforms, and it's super easy to set up. But honestly, torrent support isn't really clear, and you're going to have a tougher time if you're trying to outsmart regional content. So for streaming geeks, it's got to be NordVPN. Let's get into device and platform support. NordVPN covers pretty much everything: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, smart TVs, routers, browser extensions, the whole lot. Limitation? You're capped at 6 devices per account, which is usually enough, but could be a pain if you're device obsessed. TunnelBear, though, lets you connect unlimited devices on your account, which is wild for the price, but only on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. No Linux or routers. If you want to cover just your basics on lots of gadgets, TunnelBear rocks. Otherwise, NordVPN's the true all-rounder. Ease of use and customer support. This is always more important than people think. NordVPN's got a really clean interface, even with all its features. And if you get stuck, boom, 24/7 live chat, email, and a big ol' knowledge base. The downside? All those features can kind of be intimidating when you're just starting out. TunnelBear is, like, stupidly simple, and honestly, their branding is so cute it'll put a smile on your face. but you've only got email support, and their help resources are pretty bare bones. So if you love feeling supported, NordVPN is the way to go. Let's quickly recap how these two stack up across the board. From price and speeds to features and support, we're seeing some serious wins for NordVPN, but TunnelBear still brings some surprises, especially for budget hunters and beginners. All right, final take. If you want advanced security, blazing speeds, and you're planning to binge on streaming or torrenting, NordVPN just absolutely pulls ahead. But hey, I totally get the appeal of TunnelBear, especially if you want something simple, fun, or don't want to pay at all. For most folks who need power and flexibility, though, NordVPN's the go-to. Found this VPN showdown helpful? Stick around for more deep dives and smart picks. We've got a ton more coming your way.